Alright, so here we've got an old snapper snowblower that's not starting, and today we're going to figure out why. First things first, check the oil. Before you start any of these engines, you want to check, make sure there's plenty of oil in it. It's got good oil. Or it's not good oil, looks like it could use a change. It's like it's got gas. So we're good there. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to check spark and we're going to check compression. So first thing, we'll just go ahead and check spark while we're here. Okay, so got that hooked up. We'll go ahead and give that a couple holes. And plenty of spark. So then we'll hook this up and we will check and make sure it's got compression. So we'll pull that out. Kind of looks kind of dirty. Should probably change that out while we're at it. So what we'll do, we'll put in my compression tester. Plug it in there. And we'll like about 50 psi, which is pretty good. So next we'll check, see if it's getting fuel. And to check fuel, what I've done, I've just got some straight gas, put it in one of these little bottles. So you just kind of pour it straight down into the cylinder. And then we will screw that spark plug back in. And we'll give it a shot. Turn it to half choke, make sure that's up. Don't necessarily need to prime it. As you can see, it started and then it died once it ran out of gas in that cylinder, so this is going to need a carb or maybe a carb clean, and that's what we're going to do on this one. So next time we'll grab this carb and we'll clean it up. Okay, and to remove the carb, it's up under this plate right here. So we've got a couple screws right there that need to come out. I'm going to pull off this choke lever. And the plate piece should just go out and just kind of hang down right there, and that carb doesn't look very good. Then to get the carb off, looks like I might have to unplug that real quick. Okay, so we got that hanging. So all we're going to do, what we've got a couple screws right here to take off. Get that choke out of the way, and then we got a couple nuts back here that need to come off, and a couple of fuel lines, and this carb's off.